engine oil. You can check and fill your engine's oil using the front dipstick tube located in the front of the motor. Make sure the engine is level or all measurements will be inaccurate. Unscrew to remove dipstick. Wipe off any oil and reinsert the dipstick to check levels. Oil level should be between the middle and top of the markings on the dipstick. Use the appropriate 30-weight oil that matches your location's climate. Using a funnel is the easiest way to add oil to the engine. Add oil in small amounts. Recheck the engine oil's level and repeat the process as many times necessary until the appropriate amount of oil is installed.